Good morning, student. This is your online class for general awareness subject. Okay. So first of all, you need to take out your general awareness book, World Around Me, and your general awareness notebook, which is one side have 4 lines and one side is plain. Okay. So first of all, let's just open your book. Okay. Students, in the last video, we have done the topic This is Me and Let Practice Pattern. Okay. Now, in this video, we are going to do the next topic, which is I Feel. And this is in page number 12. Okay. So let's just begin it. As you all know that before beginning any topic, what we do first? Yes, first of all we put date. So now we are going to write the date in this box. As today is 28, so we will write 2/8/28, then hyphen, and then we will write 5 here. Okay, after that again a hyphen, and then 2020. Okay. I feel. What does it mean? Tell me one thing, that when your parent gives you your favorite thing, like when your father gives you a chocolate or an ice cream, or your mother makes very favorite food for you, how do you feel then? You feel happy, no? खुश हो जाते हो ना आप जब आपको आपकी फेवरेट चीज मिलती है. Or when you get so many gifts on your birthday, so at that time how do you feel? You feel happy. How do you feel? You feel happy, no? And when your parents scold you, like, and when you do not get your the thing that you want, or when your favorite toy broke by mistake, then how do you feel? You feel happy? No, na? How do you feel? You feel sad. Exactly. So when we get something that we really want, so we feel happy. And when our parents scold or yelled at us, or we just miss our favorite thing, so we feel sad. We made face like this now, and sometimes we started crying like this. Am I right? Yes. Okay. And which face is this? Whenever you are alone in the room, okay, and light turn off accidentally, then when your parents are not in the home, okay, and you are alone in the home and just light go off, then how do you feel? You get fearful ना, डर लगता है ना आपको, तो you got scared, and you make face like this. So when we used to be happy, then we make happy face, and we get hurt, so it means we are sad, and we make face like this. And when we have fear and we are fearful, means we are scared, and we make face like this. So happy face, sad face, and scared face. When we feel happy, we make our face like this. When we feel sad, we make face like this. When we are scared, we make face like this. There is one more face that is not included here, which is angry. Whenever our sibling uses our things, or our sibling fight with us, then how do we feel? We get angry. So we make face like this. So when we feel happy, we make face like this. When we feel sad, we make face like this. When we got scared, we make face like this. And when we get angry, we make face like this. Okay? Now what you need to do is, I'm gonna read this. Trace along the dotted lines color the given faces. Okay, so what we need to do is we will just trace all these lines. Okay, all these lines, and then we will color these faces. See, this is the happy face, this is the sad face, and this is the scared face. Okay, so let's just start tracing. Keep your pencil on the point. Okay, and go slowly, do it slowly. Okay, बहुत fast नहीं करना है, otherwise it would not be straight. Okay, so just do like this, go from top to bottom slowly, like this. Yes, 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 and done. Okay, so similarly you will trace all the lines like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. You will trace all these lines. Okay, there are 11 lines. Okay, I have traced just one, but you have to trace all these 11 lines. Okay, so just trace them all, and now we are going to color this. So take your crayons. Okay, first of all we will color this happy face. Okay, see, the happy face is in yellow color, so we will color this with yellow crayons. Okay, so as I have already told you that first of all we will color the boundary. We will just color its border, and then we will fill color inside. See, I have colored this. Isn't it looking exactly same? See, जैसा ये है ना, similarly it is looking. So you will also color like this. Okay. Now moving toward the next, we need to color this sad face. You need not to make sad face. Okay, we will color it happily. So we will use this blue crayon because it is in blue color, and we will color it. Sad face is also done. Now we will move towards this scared face. This is also in yellow color, so we will use the yellow crayons again. Okay, and now we will start coloring it. Yes, we have done. So remember, one more time I'm gonna tell you that when we got something, whatever we wanted, so we make happy face. Okay, and whenever someone gives us gifts, then also we feel happy, so we make face like this. Okay, and when our favorite toy broke, or when our parents yelled at us, so we make sad face like this. And when we see some horror movie, or when we see any insect or animal with whom we get scared, we feel fear, तो we make face like this. Okay, जिससे आप डर लगता है तो आप फिर ऐसा फेस बना लेते हो. Okay, so need not to be scared. Just trace all these lines and color them. Okay, now I'm gonna read whatever is written here. Circle the pictures that make you feel happy. Okay, cross out the pictures that make you feel sad. तो जो यहाँ पे there are so many pictures. See, तो the picture that make you feel happy, we need to circle them. Okay, and the pictures that make you feel sad, you will just cross them. See, in this first picture, someone is giving us gift, so it will make us happy, no? So we will just circle them. Okay, and in the second picture, the boy is falling down from the tree. Okay, so he must be sad, no? Because he will get hurt. He is falling from the tree, so he will definitely be sad. You also get sad now whenever you get hurt, so you will just cross this picture. And the next picture, in this picture, the girl is going to the school. So some students feel happy when they come to school and some students feel sad when they come to school. So how do you feel? If you feel happy, then circle it, and if you feel sad, then cross it. Okay. In the next picture, this boy is playing with the ball. Do you feel happy by playing with the ball? So if you feel happy by playing with this ball, so circle the picture, otherwise cross it. Okay. In this last picture, the girl is doing her work. So do you feel happy while doing your homework, while doing studying? If you feel happy, then circle it. Otherwise, if you feel sad, then cross it. Okay. So this is your homework. What are the things that you need to do? You will trace these lines, then you will color these faces, and at last you will do this. You will circle the pictures that will make you feel happy, and you will cross the picture that will make you sad. Okay. And in the next part of the video, we will just learn to draw these faces. Okay.